Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It comes to us from Ninja. This is a 6-in-1 cooking device, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now think of all the space that you're going to save with a device like this in your kitchen. Absolutely incredible. Now, first off, air fryer. Air fryer does 6 different things in one device. This is revolutionary. Think about the fact that you can get rid of your air fryer, your panini press, your Foreman grill. You don't even need an oven at this point. You don't need a toaster oven. You've got one awesome device. You could get rid of your broiler, whatever you want, in one fantastic device from Ninja, and Ninja is the trusted brand when it comes to your cooking and things around the house. This is absolutely amazing. So 6-in-1. Think about this. Air frying. Instead of deep frying, instead of the expensive oil that you're putting straight into your arteries and clogging your heart, start air frying. Comes with an air frying basket. You just slip the basket into the fryer, put it down, start cooking. It's just that simple. Just start air frying. If you haven't used an air fryer before, it'll change your life. Every guy I know who starts air frying absolutely loves it, because this is the way that you're going to not only be a little healthier, but it's super simple, it's super crisp, and it makes your stuff taste super good. Take wings, throw them in the air fryer. French fries, air fryer. In fact, I go to Publix, which is our local grocery store. I get Checkers fries, put them in there. They're better than going to Checkers, and I love Checkers fries. Why? Because Checkers fries at Checkers are greasy and disgusting and make you feel bad. You air fry them, they're just as crisp, but they don't make you feel bad afterwards, and they're just lighter and they're just better tasting. So, you have an air fryer. You can up and down change your air crispness. You also have the option, 4 different meats. It will cook for that meat. 9 different settings to how much you want that meat cooked. And it's got a thermometer that you put right in the meat. It'll adjust. So all you have to do is say, I got chicken. I want my chicken medium. Put the thermometer in it. You walk away, it'll tell you when it's done, son. It's incredible. You can roast. You can put a whole chicken in here. There's plenty of room, folks. You can put an entire chicken in this bad boy. Cook your chicken. You want it medium done, put the thermometer in it, nothing you have to worry about. You've got a grill. You can actually grill out. It comes with a little grill top. And you put a grill on there. On top of that, you can turn it into a press. Now, press your sandwich, press your luck. Absolutely amazing. I've gotten into paninis lately. My friend Amy, shopping with Amy, you've seen her videos, you've seen her on this channel. Well, guess what? She enjoys panini. She didn't love sandwiches before. She thought they were just too, eh. Start pressing them. That extra press changes, I don't know, the molecular compound of that bread and makes it crisp, makes it good. A little butter on there, a little cheese. You've got an even better sandwich. You can bake, you can broil. Tell me about broiled chicken. Tell me about putting ribs in here. Tell me about wings. You can dehydrate. Yeah, you want a food dehydrator? You want to make beef jerky? You want to make beef jerky the easy way? One device does it all. One device says it all. It's incredible. And Ninja they're sturdy. I'm not here to talk trash about other devices. You can get your 6-in-1s elsewhere, but you get what you pay for. There's other companies that are fly-by-night. They don't care if it doesn't work in 6 months. They're going to get a new listing. They're going to change their name. They don't care. Everybody knows that Ninja is the brand to beat, okay? You want to be a little Ninja. You want to buy a Ninja. You want to get your Ninja. Ninja is the brand to beat. So with a 6-in-1, air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, and dehydrate, this one's an A+. So go ahead and order yours today. Pick it up with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. That A to Z guarantee is fantastic. That's why Amazon sells so much. They take care of their customers. If you don't like it for any reason, in 30 days, you send it back. If it doesn't work, you send it back. It's absolutely amazing. You can get the 2- and 3-year warranty on it. You won't need it, but that's available. And yeah, just an absolutely amazing device. Power on and off, easy controls. You never have to worry about it. Your food is done, son. You're gonna love it. Everything about this is super intuitive. I love the air fryer. The things I do in the air fryer. So I did a whole pizza in the air fryer, like a little personal pan pizza. Put that in there. Came out amazing. Garlic bread, air fryer. I did a grilled chicken breast, air fryer. French fries, Checkers fries, air fryer. Chicken nuggets all the time. Shrimp, fried shrimp, air fryer. I think it's called shrimp, fried shrimp, air fryer. You can do so much stuff in this device. You can get rid of the rest of the kitchen. You don't need it. This thing is incredible. Order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. This is the cream of the crop. It'll rise to the top. Order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. And order with confidence, knowing getting it from Amazon, you got those A to Z guarantee and those free returns. Thanks again for watching. Trust me on this one. This one is a good buy, a great price. Order today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.